I don't want to spend a lot of time calculator pushing right here, but I do want you to understand kind of what's happening. So in light of what we had talked about the first part of class, I think you guys should be able to tell me what's going on when we look at this part right here. Can someone tell me what we're doing when you create this part of the table here? I'm looking for someone to say, oh, this is going to be the limit. We're going to have an x going to, and I just want to know, what do I want to write here? 0, because these guys are getting smaller and smaller from the negative side. This is 0 from the negative side. And similarly, when you look at these numbers, can you guys see that's getting closer and closer to 0, but from the positive side? So this is limit as x goes to 0 from the positive side. So I'm going to save us some time. I'm just going to tell you what these answers are. I feel like maybe I should make you use a calculator to figure it out, but probably not. This is fine. So when you evaluate this at each of these points over here, you're going to end up with these numbers. And when I look at this string of numbers, where does it look like this ratio sine x over x is going? It looks like it's going to 1. If I come from the other side, I come from the positive side, this guy also looks like it's going to 1 as well. Okay. So since I get the same thing when I come from both sides, in this particular case, we have this, the limit as x goes to 0 of sine x over x is equal to 1. So this example doesn't come out of nowhere. This is an important identity for this class that we're going to use when we get to chapter 2. So I sort of pre-introduce it as a limit example. Okay. So I'll refer back to this when we get to chapter 2. I don't remember the section number, but it's when we talk about the derivatives of trig functions, like what's the derivative of sine, what's the derivative of cosine, that's where we need to worry about this. Okay. All right.